In this quick tutorial today, I will show you how to reset your Roblox PIN if you forgot it in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. Now this does work on both mobile devices and a laptop or PC, so the steps are the same, so just follow along. And the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and make sure you're signed in to your account. Next, what you need to do is come up to the address bar at the top, and what you want to do is leave roblox.com. You want to get rid of home and replace this with support. And then hit enter. And what it's going to do is bring up a contact form. Now from here you're going to want to enter a few details. So as you can see, your username and first name is optional. I wouldn't worry too much about your first name, but it's better to put your username just so it's easier for them to locate your account. And in their email address, what you want to do is put the email address which is linked to your Roblox account and confirm that down here. And then what you want to do where it says issue details, first thing you want to do is select the device that you're having the problem on. So if you click on the drop down box, you can see we've got some different options like PC, iPhone, Android phone, iPad, and so on and so forth. Of course, if you use multiple devices, you just want to use the one that you play Roblox the most on. So I'm just going to go for PC. And then on the next drop down box, it says type of help category. You want to click onto this and then click the option which says account hacked or can't log in. This is going to bring up a additional drop down box, and from here you just want to click onto this and click onto account PIN. Next, in the description of issue box, what you want to do is put something similar to I have forgotten my PIN number. Please, can you help me reset this? And then you want to put this important: if you need any proof to help reset my PIN, please let me know. Thanks. So it doesn't have to be word for word, but basically something along those lines where you just mention that you've forgotten your PIN number. Can you help me reset this? And make sure to put that if you need any proof, then you're happy to provide proof. Once that's done, you can click the blue submit button. It's going to highlight once you filled in all these details. Make sure the email address is correct and you do have access to that email address. And then all you want to do is just keep checking your email address, because chances are they are going to ask for some additional information, and they will probably ask you some security questions related to your account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.